In this video, we're going to talk about how to use Finder within Mac and also how to create files and folders and how to move them. First, let's go ahead and click on Finder. Again, Finder is the icon that looks like two little faces. Next, we'll see that it took me into the Recents section, which shows all the recent files that I've opened. Let's go ahead and go to the Documents folder, and let's go ahead and create a folder. Put your two fingers on your keypad and make sure to click down with them at the same time. Then you should get a menu that says New Folder. Select New Folder, and here's the brand new folder. Then you can go through and name the folder. Let's go ahead and just name it Demo. And there's a brand new folder within your Documents folder. Next, let's create a file that lives within that folder. I'm going to open Pages. I'll create a blank document. I'm just going to type Hello World. Then I'm going to go up to the File menu because we're going to go and save this file. I'm going to click Save. And we'll name this file Demo File. I'm going to check and see where it has it set to save it. I see it's in the Documents folder. Documents folder is fine, but I'm going to go ahead and save it in that new folder. So to do that, we're going to save that file. I'm going to select that demo folder, and I'm going to name it Demo File. If you don't see your window looking like this and it just shows the Documents folder, just hit the downward triangle next to the Documents folder and it should expand to open this window. I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And there we have saved our first file. Next, I'll close out this file. I'm going to just show you how you can change the views within Finder. So right now we're set on this gallery view, which shows the folder as a bigger folder. If you click on the next view right here, it will show it as a list. If you click on the third option, it will show the folder here, and then you'll see the file that's within that folder, and it will show it in like a 3-column view. Then after that, you can also click this view as well, where you can kind of see a preview of the file, which is very handy if you're going through a bunch of files. And that's how you can view different views. Along the side, we'll see recent files. You can view the Applications folder that stores all of our applications on the Mac. We can view the Desktop folder, which shows all of our files on the desktop. We can click on the Documents folder, which shows all the documents and folders that we have in the Documents folder. Downloads will see any files that I've downloaded from the internet. iCloud Drive, which shows any files stored in iCloud. Also with Finder, you can mark files with tags to just make it easier to find them. So if you want to mark them with a tag, you can actually click this tag option and select a color. And then we can see that there's a green dot next to it, so if you have a particular category that you use for the color green, you can mark it as green and then make it easier to find that file. Also, here in the upper right hand corner of Finder, you can click on this 3-dot menu and expand and see a bunch of different options, such as Create New Folder. You can click Open a New Tab. You can click Get Info about that particular file. You can take a quick look at demo, which just kind of gives you an overview of what that folder is. And you can do a sort by. So if you have a bunch of files in here, you can sort by the name, the kind of file that it is, the date it was last opened, date added, date modified, date created, size, and tags. So there's a lot of different sort options to view files. And then you can also click Show View Options. And you can also select information to display. So I'm going to select date created and date last opened. And I'll just click the red dot to exit. And as you can see, it added these columns right here so I can see more information about the file. We need to know how to move files and copy files. So to learn how to do a copy, let's select the demo file, and then we're going to do a Command C. That makes a copy of the file. Let's go to the desktop and then click within the desktop folder, and we're going to do a Command V. And that just made a copy of the demo file and put it on the desktop. Now let's try to move this demo file, move to file, from the demo folder over to the desktop. I'm going to try to do Command X, which is usually cut, but I get this beeping noise. So we'll see why that is in a bit here. I'm going to go to the desktop and then attempt to do a paste by doing a Command V. As you can see, nothing's happened. The reason why is because Command X does not work with moving files within Finder. Only Command C will do like a copy, and Command V will do paste, but Command X will do nothing. Now if you're working within inside a file and you're typing out text, you want to do a cut of some text that you're working on, Command X will work, but it won't actually move files around within Finder. So that's an overview of how to work with Finder. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment in the video below and ask, and I'll be happy to answer you. Thank you and have a great day.